Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today we have an unboxing for you. This is something I picked up off of Reddit, but the cool thing is I'm starting to get so much stuff in, I don't know what this is. So let's find out together. Honestly, I just look for good deals on Reddit, and when I find one, I buy it. And it kind of doesn't matter what it is that I'm buying, as long as it's a good deal, because it's stuff for the channel, and I probably intend to either give it away or resell it anyways. So let's see what we got here. These packages every single time. Cutting this in a dumb way. This is just for camera. Don't judge me. I'm not doing it to impress you guys. I'm doing it so you guys can see what's in this damn box. You know what I mean? So it is a Kizer, and I could have sworn. Oh, I knew it. It is a second Kizer. See what we got twerking out here in the first one. This, I believe, ooh, I like that. This is my card. This is the Kizer Centauri, right? Yeah, or no, the Kizer Gemini, sorry. That's the Artisan Cutlery Centauri, I believe. So I had to get my hands on a Gemini. The Gemini is one of those knives that is a very iconic knife for Kizer. That is a cool... Like the way that micarta wore in right there, that's pretty sweet. So we have some blue hardware here, which I'm not sure if standard. I'll have to find all that out for you guys before the review. But a nice regular pocket clip, just nothing special about it. No frills. Not really emphasized or anything. It's just kind of like a whatever. It has the loop and everything, so it should work pretty well. But really nice fit and finish. It's a Ray Laconico design. You guys can see there. And I was really excited. I don't think I've handled anything by Ray Laconico yet, unless... Is that where the Arayo came from? The Arayo might be a Ray Laconico design, which is why I started looking into these, because I loved the Arayo, or Oreo, or whatever it's called. So, action, pretty darn good. Snappy. Snappy as all heck. Oh, yeah. Let's check for the side-to-side. Side-to-side, damn it. I'm not going to bore you guys with an unboxing of me fixing the centering, which is perfect, but the action is good, but the side-to-side, it's not bad, but it's enough to annoy me. So this blade is like your standard drop point, but it feels just ultra slicey. There she blows. I don't know why I put it back in the case. Probably because I didn't want to look at it until I was ready. I believe... Nope. I was wrong. This is designed by Dirk Pinkerton. But I forgot what I felt that was a Ray Laconico, or maybe I just really wanted to feel a Ray Laconico. Anyways, the Kizer Gemini. Very cool. Very nice. Scales feel, like I talked about, a little bit blocky, kind of like the cheaper scales on, say, CJRB. But they have a nice chamfering around the edges, and the material feels different. It doesn't feel like, it feels like not paper, it feels like fabric. So it feels actually really nice. So here is the Kizer Gemini. Let's put that right there. Let's see what else this is. Oh, I think I remember what this is. I don't remember the name of it, but... Passion, Pride, Performance, designed by Kizer. So, first and foremost, Kizer's packaging is my favorite. I absolutely love this little pouch. I like it better than Civivi's. I think it just looks super cool. And the Velcro and everything is just nice. What are you little guy? I'd have to look this up too. This is a popular model here. Yeah, alright. So this is the wrong way to open up a knife, noob. This is the Kizer Feist. Also in micarta, S35VN. August 16, whatever that means. Maybe this was made on August 16th. Come on. August 16. I don't know what that means. But action, very, very nice. This is a very cool little blade. So a really nice titanium pocket clip there that is not ambidextrous, but is not deep carry, but it's almost deep carry. Like, it's a pretty deep carrying knife, even though it's a tiny little guy. So it's not tiny. I mean, look, it's almost the same length. Here's my launch 10 with some goop on the blade, but it's a narrow. Just, it kind of reminds me of a upgraded model of the Civivi, let's say X-Arc, right? In a really nice, this stuff feels like the micarta feels between the Artisan Cutlery Arraio, the Kizer Gemini. This is kind of like a medium textured. This is heavy texturing, medium texturing, like smooth. And it feels good. Complete drop shut. Real easy to operate. No side to side. Sweet. Action perfectly centered. This is a cool little knife, guys. Very cool little knife. Liner is super easy to manipulate, too. It's like, I know easy might not be as sturdy, but take that for what you will. I really appreciate that easy functioning liner there. It's very, very nice. All right. So this blade steel is coming in at N690, it looks like, for the Kizer Gemini, which is like the $70 or $80 model. And, oh man, this thing is snappy. Absolutely snappy. That's not the one that I'm supposed to be taking to show. You guys have already seen that. I need to get that review out. But, so the Kizer Feist S35VN micarta, titanium pocket clip. I don't believe these scales are titanium, but I'd have to look. This is clearly the more upgraded model, like 120, 130 bucks, I think. This is the $60 to $80 price range for the Kizer Gemini. These will be coming in full reviews as the channel kind of progresses. I told you guys I was only going to open up one at a time, but this one kind of surprised me. I forgot that I ordered two at once. So it's a decent surprise. It's very cool to get two knives when you're expecting one. But for the channel and what I plan to do, it kind of went against my normal planning. But this is the Artisan Cutlery knot. This is the Kizer Gemini and the Kizer Feist. Very, very cool little knives. So thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing of the Kizer Gemini. I had to say it intentionally. Kizer Feist. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, and just have a great freaking day, guys. Thank you so much for watching.